guys, welcome to the Messi Skills Zig Zag Dribble tutorial. My name is Coach Judah and I will show you guys all the details you need.
Let's find out why the zigzag dribble is so effective. It is a very effective dribble because it forces your opponent backwards. At the same time, he has to turn and follow you. This will either create space or bring the defender out of balance so that you can take advantage and beat him. Messi uses the zigzag skill when he approaches a defender frontally in a 1v1 situation. Use the zigzag especially against large or less agile defenders. They will be slower in turning and they are easier to get out of balance. You need some space between you and the defender to build up speed as you approach him. By doing this, Messi is using the weakness of the defender to his advantage. The skill should be used on the opponent's half after a transition with a lot of space in front of you. This is the moment the defensive formation of your opponent is weak and you can exploit it with the zigzag dribble. Let's take a closer look at the technique. You start with a soft outside touch to the right while keeping the ball close. As soon as you see the defender is following you, take a soft inside touch to the left and change directions. Bend your knees to get a low center of gravity. This increases stability and helps you to be more explosive. Now, check again to see if your opponent follows you. At the moment he does, take a strong fake step left. The defender now definitely thinks you will go to the left and he will step in. Then you surprise him with an outside cut to the right. Now we'll show you the best drills to improve your zigzag dribble technique. This exercise is perfect to start with as a warming up. The second one is dribbling only with the outside and a feint step before you cut the ball and change directions. Now place some cones in a zigzag pattern and start applying both dribbles you just practiced. Also try this Messi skill in 1v1s. And finally, use them in real games. Thank you for watching and make sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to hit the like button and let us know in the comments what you think of the zigzag dribble.